Hello, folks, back again. This time from the house of Carlene, one of my favorite house. This house is the most prestigious house in the world of perfumery, and rightly so. They are able to produce some great fragrances, and this fragrance in right in front of you, Guerlain Homme EDP, is no exception. Such a lovely and beautiful fragrance, guys. I believe if there is ever a list created, the most loved fragrances top 10, this will be pretty on high rank. When I say love the most loved fragrances, I mean like there are fragrances out there like Bentley Intense, Invictus, Savage. There are people who have really loved it, and there are people who have really hated. Now I have nothing against those fragrances. However, if you go online and see the reviews, you can see that you will not find hardly anyone who is really bashing or saying bad thing about or criticizing this fragrance. However, on YouTube you will not find many reviews on it. So I took this opportunity. So I said, why not? This fragrance caught my attention when I was at one of the perfume retail shop, and I saw the bottle, this uniform, which was in 2000 uniform bottle. Not only the bottle caught my attention, but the juice itself, this purplish juice, I was blown away. I was like, man, this fragrance looks already very gorgeous. However, the retail was anywhere between $80 to $100. Even if you go to Guerlain official website, it's around $125. So if you're not able to find this on discounters, websites, or around you, and you have no other option left to buy a full retail, trust me, guys, even if you will play full retail, you will not be disappointed. That's how good this juice uh, is. Then I expanded my search and I found this fragrance in a gray market. So it's a tester bottle, and I paid about anywhere between $40, I believe. So it's already a steal for me. So let's talk about the juice itself. This fragrance is opens up. There is a lime in it. There is a citrus. Lime is a citrus, I believe. Yes. Then there is a mint in it, and then there is a rum accord. So when you combine all, of course, it gives you a mojito vibe. And I've been drinking mojito from have drank in my past mojito. So yeah, it does smell like mojito as well. However, the rum note or the booze note is so strong as you can find in Bentley Intense, where it's jumping off your skin. It's not like that. It's subtle. It's bearable. Um, this is not your tip. It's said to be a summer fragrance, but I believe it's a pretty all year round fragrance, because this when you say summery, uh, don't get don't be deceived by that. Maybe smell like a shower gel or a soapy fragrance. No, it has a lot to offer than only be a summery fragrance. Like I said, lime, mint, and then that rum accord. It has slightly woodsy value to it, and then slightly sweetness is also there. And after giving it so much of wearing, I get a surprise today that I started to smell patchouli also from it, and this is the typical patchouli which is in Guerlain fragrances. So this is a highly recommend juice, guys. As far the uniqueness goes, it is pretty unique fragrance, guys. I have never smelled anything like before. It does not remind me anything I have smelled before. So uniqueness is on top. Longevity is amazing, guys. This is anywhere between 9 to 8 hours. You put it on the paper, you can smell for coming 2 days also. That's how strong it is. EDP. But it's not your projection monster. It will come off like project like maybe 1 feet, 2 feet maximum, a good scent bubble around you. But don't expect it to to that when you enter in the room, the guy or somebody can smell you at the corner at the end of the room. Not like that. Of course, the notes in it does not support that value. However, it's good enough to be around you. Versatility all year round. Uh, every occasion, every season you can wear it. Even when I say dressed up, even tuxedo, your suit and tie event, someone who is not into dark fragrances or oudi kind of fragrances, this will work for them easily. That's how good, that's how classy it smell. I'm wearing already on me. Yeah, I can see the woods are also coming out now. So you see, there is a lot of facets in it. It's not your very polarizing friends. It's kind of in between linear and polarized. It's kind of in between. It will show you some faces. Yeah, I can really smell. It smells kind of different every time to my nose. I am still learning about this fragrance. I've been giving this full wearing for last 4 or 5 days. Nevertheless, I've been testing it here and there, and yes, it every time I'm wearing it, it's growing on me and it's giving me different facets. Like I said, now today I wore, I felt like patchouli is coming out, and I can feel that woods are also coming out. What a wonderful fragrance, guys! Highly recommend. You can blind buy it without thinking twice, guys. So yeah, I will complete and finish my review here, and I'll come up next time with a different fragrance. Till then, you guys take care. Ciao. Bye.